So let's say I want to cut out this element in some shape or based on some other image. How do I do that? The answer is clip path. So if you look at this is very, very simple. It's just a div with some text element in it. And what we're going to be doing is we can use these two styles, clipping and masking. So clip path so this is the first one, is the clip path. It's very, very simple. You can adjust, you can pick certain shapes, circle, ellipse, or rectangle, or polygon, or an SVG, and then you can adjust certain parameters about them, like for the circle you can adjust its position and size. Same thing with the ellipse. Rectangle, you can adjust the sides. Polygon, you can adjust the corners however you want, and you can even generate different shapes. Right arrow, or message, dialogue, or whatever you may want. So these are all viable options, and SVG is basically used when you have some kind of like a bubble or some wave cutout, or some non-linear shapes, basically. All right. The masking, on the other hand, this is more like non-continuous. It doesn't have to be like a single thing, but it can be like an image or a gradient, so something more continuous in nature. So you can, when you add a mask by default, it adds an image mask. So in this one, if you expand this layer, just like the background images mask, you can actually have multiple layers of masks. And they basically all interact using this composite value. So how they're going to be interacting, they can be adding onto each other, or subtracting from each other, or intersection, or exclude. So these are the common operations, but usually you just use add. If you look at the actual image, so basically the white sections are the ones that are going to be shown, and anything else is going to be hidden. So that's basically how the masks work. And you can adjust the position and the size. Obviously, we talked about that. Just like in the background image sections, you can do custom positioning for these cutouts, whatever you want to do. If you want something other than this, obviously you have the option of building something yourself. So I'm going to be putting a link to the video description to this video. It shows you how you can actually create a custom mask image, and then use it for your various effects, like the text coming behind the certain image, kind of thing. But also you can also go to Pixabay. Pixabay has great images. If you just search for SVG, like this one seems to fit well with my theme. So I'm just going to download it. It's basically a silhouette of palm trees. And if I pick that, you can see that's basically applying it to my image. And yeah, so you can find a lot of different images like that, and you can create very cool effects. Apart from these, like I said, we also have gradients. So if gradients are typically used when you want to create some kind of transitioning effect. Using the linear gradients, you can accomplish that. You can use the angle property, or you can do left to right, or top to bottom, or the corners, whatever you may want. You can also do a radial gradient. So this is various shapes and positions. You can adjust the colors, and same thing with the conic gradient. And you can create really cool animation effects with these, but obviously that's a topic for another video. All right. So the really cool thing happens when you combine the linear gradients with images. So for the masking effects, and you create multiple ones. And these common ones, there's some common templates, so to say, that you can use for the masking, and they're available in this button over here. Just like the polygon, like whenever you create a clip path with a polygon, you can generate like different shapes. So just like that one, you can create different masks. So in this one, we're going to be creating a cloud's bottom effect, for example. And these are actually the same thing that you will see in the shape divider. So it's using the same technique, but it basically, and shape divider itself is using this technique as well. So it's just an easier way to apply this without introducing additional elements, basically. So you can see we have an image over here, and it's got a particular position, and basically this is combined with the linear gradient effect here. The this way. So basically, we're cutting out certain section and then adding another mask onto it. So you can easily generate like different effects like that, customize them, curve bottom, fan bottom. So many different effects here that you can use and customize. And yeah, so feel free to try these and create interesting websites. Thank you very much for watching.